How can I add to my bottom line this year? If you've ever asked yourself that question, stop right now. Within the next 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you how you can produce more dollars to your bottom line and more percentage points to your net profit bottom line as well. Stay tuned. Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Peter Karunas with shopVOX, and I'm coming at you today with a video here about how you can make the pennies and dollars count towards your bottom line. And that's what this topic is all about, making the pennies count. We're going to talk about how you could do that and how simple you can compound that into adding to your bottom line. All right, so let me give you a quick little example of what I mean here. Essentially, this theory is pretty simple to grasp and pretty simple to understand. You have some orders and estimates that are going out each and every day. But what you don't realize is that there is a few dollars and cents difference between increasing your bottom line and also still staying within the customer's budget. How many of you have actually sent out estimates that are like $1,482 or $673 or $700.20? Essentially, estimates are all over the place. It's never really a rounded number. And if it is a rounded number, you could still follow along in these practices here in this tip here in this video. The theory here is rounding up to the nearest whole dollar and whole cent that allows you to still capture the sale, but also adding a few extra points there for yourself onto your bottom line. So here's example number one. In this example, we're going to talk about a very small shop that's going to do marginal increases onto their estimates. So let's take 80 cents. Whatever your estimate is, add 80 cents to it. That is the principal point of example number one, adding 80 cents. All right, so let's take 80 cents. Now, if you take 80 cents and you add that to 5 estimates per day, you're going to have a total of $4 extra per day. Now, if you take that and you times that by 5 days a week, you're going to get $20 per week. But if you compound that to a 52-week schedule, you're going to have an extra $1,040 added to your P&L, to your bottom line at the end of the year. It may not seem like a crazy amount of money to most of you, but let's go to example number two. Let's say you now get out of the cents category and you're raising your estimates by $5 each estimate. So that means you're taking an estimate of $610 to just $615. If you do that 5 times per day for 5 estimates per day, you're going to get an extra $25 added to your gross sales for the day. Again, same thing. If you take that and you do the math and you times that by 5 days a week and you times that by 52 weeks a year, you're going to get a whopping $6,500 added to your bottom line at the end of the year. Now, for most P&Ls, an average of $6,500 is going to increase your net profit percentages incrementally, maybe 1, 2, possibly 3 extra percent at the end of the year. I know many of you would love to see your net profit percentage go up, and this is a way that you can do that. So that brings me to example number 3. Now, example number 3 are for shops that might have a little bit more volume. They have a bit more estimates that are going out each and every day, and they also have a little bit of faith and control over their brand. They have great customer satisfaction. They have a 5-star service. They believe in their product. They believe in their people. They believe in their customers. Their customers appreciate them. Maybe this might not be you, but in this example, we're going to raise your estimates $10 per estimate, and you're also a shop that's pretty much pumping out 10 estimates per day. So let's do that math there. $10, 10 estimates, that's going to be $100 per day added to your gross sales. $100 a day times 5 days a week is obviously $500. Then when you take that $500 and you bring that across a 52 week work schedule, you're going to be sitting very pretty with a nice chunk of $26,000 added to your profit and losses bottom line. Now, I don't know about you, but I would love an extra $26,000. I would love to take that money and reinvest that into the business, and you can do that in 1 year's time. In 1 year's time, you can take that kind of money and put it into a new piece of equipment, a new vehicle, adding to your staff, buying some new computers, whatever it is that's going to add more infrastructure and make your business operate better. You can essentially use all those extra pennies and dollars that you've added to your bottom line and reinvest them back into your business. So that's it, everybody. That's how you make the pennies and dollars count for your business. That's how you're going to add to your bottom line. That's how you're going to add those percentage points to your net profit at the end of the year. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I look forward to catching you guys on the next one. And don't forget to stay positive out there.